Here are some of our top travel tips for novice travelers. 1. Be sure that you have every detail of your first night planned. Not only will you be exhausted from your travel day, but it's good to get the lay of the land before branching out. For your first night, focus on getting settled by finding your accommodation, securing valuables, adjusting to the local time zone, and staying hydrated, while planning for the next day's essentials. 2. Photocopy your driver's license, passport, visa, vaccination status, if required, and other important documents. Scan them in the cloud so they're accessible wherever you are. To secure your passport and important documents while traveling, keep them in a hidden, secure location like a money belt or neck pouch, and leave photocopies with a trusted person back home or in your luggage using hotel safes or lockers when possible. 3. Buy all your adapters, SIM cards, and currency at home. It'll be less expensive and you won't have to worry about tracking down essentials on the first day of your trip. Buy travel essentials like toiletries, snacks, and medications at home, as airport and destination prices are often higher for these items. 4. Alert your credit cards and financial institutions that you will be traveling and let them know your destination. This prevents any card cancellations by your bank after making an unexpected purchase far from home. Also, inquire about details on fees and charges made overseas if traveling abroad. 5. Call your phone carrier to add international service to your plan if necessary. You may also want to consider purchasing a local SIM card for the country you will be visiting. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing.